Good evening, friends. So now it's almost 8:24, and today is 5th June 2026, and I'm doing the analysis for this coming week, and whatever has happened, you will realize what is existing week also, and how the week got over. So this is the on investing. I've opened a Nifty chart. So let me change it to the candlestick thing. And this is my saved chart, which I would like to open. Okay, so Nifty. So as I told in my earlier view, now Nifty is on sell on rise. So today you have seen that in spite of whatever the news, RBI has not, it has maintained the status quo. In spite of that, the market has fallen. Now I'm expecting a more fall. Acha, couple of things I would like to clarify. See, when you're trying to analyze the market or predict the market, I will not use the word predict because analyze is a better word. Prediction is something which is should you should be avoided in the stock market. It should be always analysis, and your analysis can be, it can depend on so many various ways. It can be on technical analysis, it can be on fundamental, it can be on astrological, whatever this thing is that. So everybody has his own way to analyze the market. I generally use astrology and as well as the technicals, whereas the 80% is the technicals and 20% astrology. So this is, honestly, I'm speaking it to you and accepting it also that I use astrology also. And I know astrology. I have done astrology on a regular basis. I've learned as a regular student. So it's not that key, I'm just a part time. I know astrology a little bit well. So whatever thing. So now, so now the point is that when I say that I'm expecting a market to go up, so I give a level also. Now, along with the level, I give the days also, that these are the bullish days which I expect. So if I, if the level comes or not, that's a secondary thing. But if the bullish days are over, then you should change your stand and you should change it to sell on line. Same thing is there for the fall also. If I'm expecting a 500 to 1,000 point fall, but I'm expecting it into 3 days only. So if in 3 days you get 300 point fall also, then also you should book your position. Because see, nobody can be 100% correct. But at least if the fall has happened up for 300 points, so instead of making 100 rupees, you will make 30 rupees, 40 rupees, 50 rupees. But whatever the profit is a profit. So this is a thing which I would like to clarify, that don't go by level by level. Go back with the days. If I'm saying there's a bullish day is going to start and this is the level which I expect, so try to adjust your position accordingly. And please understand, you cannot catch the top as well as you cannot catch the bottom. You can trade in between. So limited profit, and decide your profit, that if you are trading for, let's say, 50,000 rupees, and you decide that okay, I want 10,000 rupees, not more than that. So after 10,000 you should book the position. That is how only you can make consistent money in option trading, because I'm talking about only option trading. There's no investment thing. So if anybody is interested in investing in stock and everything, and then there is a, then he should go to watch some separate video. This is only for purely option trader, and 90% for the option buyer, for the small retail trader. I have also lost huge money into option buying and all, but it's been almost more than 20, 25 years in the stock market, and now I've learned quite a things, and I know that what I should not do. Still, I don't know what I should do, but at least I know that what I should not do, and that is the reason I keep advising the people. This is how you should trade. Now, this is the same chart. The I'll first I would like to show you, because since the week is over, whenever the week is over, you should always watch the weekly chart. Weekly chart is very important. This is I have converted into weekly chart. Okay, so this is the last week. One candle is for 1 week. Okay, so this is the last week, and this is the this week. Now you see, even a illiterate one, even first timer in the stock market can just, if you watch this chart, and he can know that how strong the market or how big the market is. See, this is the last week high. Okay, this is the last week candle, and this is the this week candle. Both candle are red. That means it has opened here and closed here. This one is opened here, closed here. Had it been green, then open here and close here. And this is the high point, this is low point. That's the part of it. So now this week, market has not crossed the previous week high. Okay. In fact, and it has not, almost at one point of time, it has tried to come the 50% of the week, but it did not sustain there. And the body of the candle still shows that body shows that it's weak, and the market has comfortably closed the the lowest low of the last week. What was the last week weekly lowest low? Was this one? You can see the level here. So, or you can see the level here also. Low was 23,484, and this week we have closed at 23,416. So 484, 416, almost 60, 70 point difference we have closed. And the low which we have made, what was the low last week? Low was 23 484. So this was the low, and this week low is 23 151. So quite below we have made the low. That's one thing is correct. So that's the first sign of weakness. That means next week is going to start on a bearish note. 90% this works. So this formula you can use it with your trade also, but only 90% works. Apart from this formula, you should have the other technical gyan and the astrology gyan. Okay, so just don't go blindly with this. So now, so that is the reason I'm saying next Monday I'm expecting a fall. And the good part is that Gift Nifty is already 140, 150 point minus. Okay, Dow Jones is also minus, I think. So now where we should be on next week, that's a question. See, ideally, if I tell you, the target should be at least, if I target, because this is a parallel channel, and if it's going to break the channel, the target should be 22,000. That is the minimum target. But I don't think it will fall in, because I'm expecting a bearish day for the Monday entire day, and Tuesday might be opening can be bearish, but the closing won't. So I should be booking my position on Monday itself. That's, or probably if I have to continue, I'll decide it on Monday whether I want to continue for Tuesday or not. That's only for morning. But Monday 99% I position I'll book. So now I don't think this much of fall we can expect because this is 1500 points. Don't think unless and until this is a very bad deal. But at least 50% of the if I come to here is 22 700 and 800. So 20, I think between 22 900 to 23,000 spot the Nifty will make a low on Monday, and Tuesday we might see a bearish start low near to the side again the same level, then the recovery. There you should book your puts, which I've advised, or shorts, which I've already advised on my other video. Okay, so this is the one view of the Nifty. Okay, what else we can see? Okay, today the GDP number came, and this it doesn't make a difference to me. But yes, RBI has given commentary, and that commentary was very hawkish, and that is something which is because see, in spite of the inflation is going up, the cost are increasing, but RBI has not increased the rates. So that is something because might be there's RBI has a pressure from the government not to do that. But understand, if you put a pressure on something, then things get blast. So in future, I have a very bearish view about the market because of this thing only. Because they are not trying to do control rupee also. So and for the season, so that is also a problem. And if I tell you, you know the forex reserve, I'll show you a chart. I have already posted in my Discord. This is the chart. Okay, this is the forex reserve from January, and from March, from 730 it came down to January level again, 730 to 680, whatever the billion I don't know, but these are the levels. So the money which is getting outflow from India is huge. So that is also another problem. So ideally, so that is the reason. So for a trader, as I told you, don't wait for the level. Wait, try to adjust it according to the day. Monday will be fully bearish. Tuesday morning probably start will be bearish, but the close won't be. That's what I think. If there be any update, I'll definitely update during the market also only. I'll either if I don't get a time to make a video, I'll make a post on the YouTube only, like on a community that you can watch. Okay, so hopefully I've explained it very clearly, and very thing same thing. Here I told you again the same box, same thing there. Nothing to repeat it. So just the thing that I'm expecting a bearish start for the next week, so that will happen. After that, we'll decide how do we want to take it forward. Okay, thank you. Okay, one more disclaimer. This is only for educational purpose. I'm not at all a CB registered technologist. So if anybody is trying to take the trade out of it, please consult your financial advisor or use your own gyan. I'm not responsible for your loss and loss. Thank you. Thank you very much.